This is his first lesson learning the NeZha theme song. Now he has memorized all the left hand ideas.
No, the first page.
Okay, I like just the first page. Let's try to play. Let's see if he can play with the metronome or not. First lesson of learning NeZha. Ready? You press the pedal. I play the right hand. I'm not important. Go. 1, 2, 3. So, start from here. 1, 2, 3, go. So, can you play everyone the first section? Ready? First section, huh? Can you play 4 times? Ready, go! First section, the A. With the pedal, you are only over. remember. Let's start. If not, you cannot go home. That's great.
That is so
One, two, three. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you can hear my melody. B section. Go back to A. You accidentally make mistakes in the middle. Really? It's off, but it's good. Should we learn the second page left hand?
There's no time.
Let me teach you something that is very easy.
I'll do something.
This is the C section. Okay? Please stand. Let me play. So this one, left hand is very easy. Wrong hand. G. D. E. Do you remember? One more time. So I play right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da 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 da. Then the C. Oh my god, this is different. Okay, I will not teach you for that. But memorize one more thing. We learn 1.5. Okay? All the already. Left hand. A. How many times do you play? How many times? And this one. D. E. 2 times. Okay?
So D is 4 times, E is 2 times, then hold.
Very smart. A, G, D, E. Pedal down. G. D. E. Oh, very good. Play with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba-bum, ba-bum, the drum, ba-bum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bubble, the drum bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4. I make mistakes, you also make mistakes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is our first lesson, just to do NeZha left hand. Can you go home and learn right hand?
I know some.
Huh?